Guys, so welcome back to another vlog. Sorry for just posting photos and not vlogs. But here are the cats. We're taking the cats on a walk to the arroyo. Enjoy the video. Go, there's a tree. He's walking here. There's coyotes, so there's probably a coyote somewhere, so we decided to close it. Because he might be scared too. So cute, looking. It's cool. Pickles is peeking through.
The trail is on the left. I don't know if you can get down there. They're walking alongside it. You see that?
Oh,
So,
but it's too much time.
why is it?
Regular structure.
Yeah.
Reach there. For some reason, this plant is on a tree too, just like the rose was.
Can I take a picture of this house? Down one block. What's going on a parallel? The houses are very nice here. We'll get mouse. Come on, you can if you want.
No, then look here, baby. Come.
You get parrots in your house?
They said, and
All right.
Pickles and Brambles, the cats, are interested in the walk. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. For the I am cat thing that I was making, you can comment if you want that next, if you want that blinking effect, or if you don't want that blinking effect. I think the don't want blinking effect is better in my personal opinion, but if you guys mostly do the other one, I'll try to add more of the blink effects. But although it's my channel, so I can decide, I guess. But I will add at least some of it if you guys comment it and if it wins. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. See you later. Bye.